Hi, I'm Actionable Islam, entrepreneur, agency owner, digital strategist, and founder of Web Digital. Over the years, I have developed expertise in realm of entrepreneurship, digital marketing, and personal branding. My journey has led me toward the high and low of building a digital business from scratch. This business playbook is designed for entrepreneurship, small business, and inspiring marketers who want to scale their venture into the fast evolving digital world. It's built from real-life experience, advanced strategies, and lessons I have learned through years of hand-on work in the industry. In this playbook, you will discover tools, tactics, and mindset that can elevate your business to the next level. From brand identity to marketing mastery, this guide covers it all. Whether you are just starting out or you are seasoned professional, this playbook will offer you new insight to build a thriving business. Okay, here I have a question from me. What is the digital business today? Okay, I'm answering. The world has changed, and so have businesses. Today, if you are not online, you are missing out on massive opportunities. A digital business operates in a dynamic ecosystem of online platforms, social media, and powerful marketing tools. But being online is not enough. You need to be strategic. Your website, content, branding must work together to attack, engage, and convert your audience. Let's look at some area key I will discuss. First one, I will discuss about digital marketing using tools like Facebook ads, Google ads, SEO, drive traffic, and building brand awareness, etc., etc. And the second one, content creation, creating valuable, consistent content like a video, vlog, social media to engage your target audience. And third one will be social media management, platform like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn allow to build a loyal community. And the last, brand building. Your brand is not just a logo, it's how your audience feel about you. You need a distinct voice, vision, and valuable propositions. Mastering these fundamentals set the foundation for growth. Now let's get into how your mindset impact your business success. Behind every successful business is a mindset built on resilience, optimism, and continuous learning. Entrepreneurship is not easy, and the challenge you will face require a growth mindset. Okay, set clear goal, whether financial or personal. Your goal will shape your journey. Set them high, but ensure they are attainable with concrete steps. And embrace failure. Failure is not the end, it is the beginning of something new. I have experienced setback, but each one has made me stronger and wiser. Stay consistent. Consistency is the secret ingredient to success. Show up every day, even when things get tough. As an entrepreneur, it's essential to stay focused, optimistic, and adaptable. This mindset will fuel your business growth, helping you make strategic decisions. A strong brand is more than just a logo or a product. It's your identity. It's how people perceive you, the message you deliver, and the connection you create with your audience. Here's how you start building a strong brand. Define your mission and vision. What do you stand for? What impact do you want to make? And number two, identify your audience. What are you serving? Identify your audience. Who are you serving? Understanding their needs is key to crafting a brand that resonates. Create a unique voice. Is your brand playful, authoritative, or inspirational? Your tone will set you apart from competitor. And here I have a pro tips especially for you. Don't forget your personal brand. As the face behind your business, your personal brand play a critical role in building trust, relationships. Be authentic, consistent, and engaging on platforms like LinkedIn and Facebook. And essential digital tools. To run a successful business, you need the right tools to stay ahead of the game. Here are must-have digital tools that I personally use to manage my agency and optimize growth. First one, WordPress, a powerful tool for building and managing website. And second one, Canva, Illustrator, and Photoshop. These three tools is perfect for creating stunning visual and brand design. And number three, Adobe Premiere Pro and CapCut. Great for editing high-quality video content. And the last one, Google Analytics, essential for tracking and analyzing website performance. This tool will help you manage marketing campaign, analysis performance, and automate tasks. The right combination of tools will amplify your business strategy and allow you to operate more efficiently. And your ultimate marketing strategy. Marketing is the lifeblood of any business in today's digital landscape. Mastering both paid and organic marketing is crucial. Here is a step-by-step strategy. Number one, Facebook ads and paid advertising. Leverage targeted ads to reach specific audience-based demographic, behavior, and interest. And number two, SEO mastery. Optimize your website with SEO strategies to drive organic traffic. And number three, content marketing. Create blog, website, social media content that educates and engage your audience. Email campaign. Build an email list and develop campaign that naturally leads into paying customer. And here will be another pro tip especially for you, free versus paid marketing. While paid ads can drive immediate traffic, never underestimate the power of organic content. Free strategies like content creation and SEO build long-term brand loyalty. How to build and manage a digital team. As your business scales, you cannot do it all. Building a talented team is essential for growth. Here is how I manage my Nova Web Digital. Hire strategically. Look for skills that complement your weakness. Hire for both cultural fit and technical expertise. Foster collaboration. Create a work environment where communication is seamless and creativity thrives. Delegate and trust. Don't micromanage. Empower your team to make decisions and execute tasks. Building a strong, motivated team is the key to scaling your operations and growing your business sustainably. Growth hack for traffic and conversion. Getting traffic to your site is great, but converting that traffic into sales is the ultimate goal. Here are some advanced growth hacks. Content SEO. Use keyword optimized content to rank higher in search engine and drive organic traffic. Lead magnet. Offer free valuable resources, guide, checklists, this type of thing to collect email address and nurture leads. Upsell and cross-sell. Once a customer buy from you, offer complimentary product or services to increase revenue. Pitfalls in entrepreneurship. Mistakes are part of our journey. Here are some common pitfalls digital entrepreneurs make and how to avoid them. Lack of focus. Don't spread yourself too thin. Focus on key areas that drive growth. Number 2 will be poor time management. Priorities high impact tasks and avoid getting lost in detail. And the last important thing is ignoring data. Use data to drive decisions, not emotions. This playbook is just the beginning. You now have the roadmap to grow and scale your business, but knowledge without action is wasted. If you are ready to take your business to the next level, download my free bonus resource or reach out for a free consultation call. Thank you for staying with me. See you soon later.